This guide will help you unlock the graphics settings in GTA 5 to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust your settings for optimal performance and visuals. Step 1. Access the game menu. Open GTA 5 and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the settings option to access the graphics settings. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. In the settings menu, select graphics. Here, you will find various options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. Adjust these settings according to your hardware capabilities. Step 3. Enable advanced graphics options. Look for an option labeled Advanced Graphics within the graphics settings. Enable this option to unlock additional settings that can enhance the visual quality of the game. Step 4. Modify specific graphics features. Once you have access to advanced settings, you can tweak features like MSA, reflection quality, and ambient occlusion. Experiment with these settings to find the best balance between performance and visuals. Step 5. Save and restart. After making your adjustments, be sure to save your changes. It may be necessary to restart the game for all settings to take effect properly. By following these steps, you can unlock and optimize the graphics settings in GTA 5 for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your enhanced gameplay.